Today we are talking about Thetan Arena. The play to earn game is very popular right now. They have a ton of users in this. I believe they've got a couple 100,000 users online at any given time. Let me pull up the old Twitters here. Yeah, so they've got 294,000 followers on Twitter, and I think the reason that people are loving this game so much is that it is free to play and you can start earning pretty much immediately. Now, you're not going to make a ton of money with this if you just use the free version. I think I've made $1.50-ish so far, and I've been playing for about close to an hour before I started recording this, just to get the hang of the actual game itself. It is quite a bit of fun. And I can see how you can spend a whole day wasted on this, but it's actually not wasted if you have a high-level character. You only earn the THC, which is the Thetan Coin, and that is 14.744 cents a pop right there. So far, through leveling up and winning matches, I've managed to earn a whopping 10 Thetan Coins. I like the fact that it's called Thetan Coin as a nice little nod to fucking Scientology. You got to get your Thetans checked. But this is the marketplace right here, and I actually tried to buy a paid character because I'm going to be off for the next couple of days due to Christmas. So I was going to try and make a couple bucks doing this, but when I try and connect my wallet here, can you hear that? Nothing is happening. I'm trying to give them money, but they don't want it apparently. So I gotta just collect the baloney THC coins, and some of these are going for quite a bit of money. You can see this guy here is going for 270 bucks. That is kind of a waste of money because he's already played all of his battles. Not sure why you would buy this one, but to get an idea of what it's going to take to get into this, let's see what they got for the cheapest ones. Now, these guys here, they're very cheap, 26, 27 bucks. But if you can see, they've played a majority of their battles. So if we scroll down here and just see people with at least 60% of their battles remaining, that jumps up to around $75. And I was looking at a guy that was 58 bucks USD, you can see down here, but he got sold before I could connect my wallet, so that sucks. This guy looks pretty cool. So all right, let's get into a little bit about what the Thetan Coin actually is. So the Thetan Coin is the in-game currency that can be achieved by playing in-game modes and participating in many other activities. So that's what we get there. The Thetan Gem, however, is exclusive currency that makes players become investors, and these are apparently free to earn. And you can use the gems to level up your heroes and stake them for a return on that. They've got quite a few partners here from various VC funds. And another thing that I'm not the biggest fan of is you actually have to download the game onto your PC. I think this limits the number of players that can participate in the game. Although I do think this could be kind of difficult to play via a mobile app. But just my 2 cents on that. Let's get into a little bit of the actual game itself. We can see here I've got 10 whole Thetan coins. We can see the various classes of hero here. Oh, that was very loud. So I get no win bonuses, no battle bonuses, none of that good stuff. Whereas if we go back to the marketplace, we can see a lot of these guys you get bonuses, basic battle bonus. So normally when you lose, you actually lose XP. So with this fucking guy, this marksman here, you actually still increase the level of your character even through losing, or you get +1 token even if you lose. So all right, we can do a couple of quick calculations here. So you get 6 tokens as a bonus if you win, so you can get about $1 bonus per game. And I think you can, they usually take 2-3 minutes long. So we're gonna go with this guy here. Let's find a match. You can get into these matches almost immediately, which is great. See, it's been 3 seconds and I'm already in one. And so basically the way this goes, classic ASWD, the move and then click to shoot, and then ERF is your powers down here. And I got absolutely crushed there. And let me get the hell out of here because these, oh, Jesus Christ, these guys are, some of these guys are pretty good. The sound effects are mildly annoying. And let me go grab some health over here. These things are kind of nice because you can just walk over to them and they increase your health. Oh my God, I'm getting flanked. Let me get a little more health here. Let's go. Christ almighty. Oh God. Oh my God. All right, we can see our available powers down here. Got a nice little shield up. Oh boy. That was not very nice. Oh, Jesus. Come on. That was dumb. I'm probably gonna get killed here. Yep. But I took one of them with me, and let's see, I think we're losing here. Yep, we lost. That's unfortunate. We got absolutely scraped there. See, we lost points there. Let's try and get one more. Let's try and get a win on here so we can see what we're looking at. All right, so we're off to an early lead. There we go. Oh, almost to the health. Not quite. We're still winning, though. Okay. Terrific. All right, it's a little closer now. And let's see what we got here. Oh, definitely don't want to be near that. Oh boy. The old double team. Oh, Jesus. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. That was not great. All right, so we lost again. Terrific. All right, so let's see where we are here. I'm at a recruit level 4. Not very good. And you can only cash, so it's free to play, but you can only cash out once you hit bronze level 1. So good luck with that. That's going to take you a long time, which I guess is a good thing because they don't want people coming in here and just playing for a couple of days and then just cashing out, just like essentially playing for free and then withdrawing money without actually being invested in the game. If you get all the way up to bronze level 1, by that point you're going to be pretty thoroughly invested into it, and you're going to be wanting to see the game succeed long term. Whereas if they would just let you withdraw right off the bat, it's going to be you're not going to get too many players to stick around. But let's see what we're doing here. So it looks like on their roadmap, they're launching the guilds feature, so you can join up with other members and form guilds, which would be kind of like teams. They're going to do a 42-player battle royale, kind of like Fortnite type of deal. And looks like, so next year they're going to be launching a tournament game, which by then they should have well over 500,000 active players on here. Oh, it's up to almost 15 cents now. Thank God. My time has not been wasted. Where do we think this is going long term, guys? Realistically, I think the best way to look at this is you can look at this almost like a job type of scenario. If you can I think you can make probably close to $40 an hour. If you can get this guy here for 246 USD, right? And he's got 290 battles left in him. Let's say you're really good at this, and you can win 70% of your matches, and you're on good teams every time, and so you get 200 wins out of those 290 battles here, and of those you get 12.5 tokens per win. So from that you get 2,537 and 1/2 tokens times 15 cents is $380 right there. And then we still have another 90, say, so about $400 you can make off this guy if you're pretty good. That's on top of all of the tokens you get for leveling up your character as well. So it's probably going to be closer to 420, 440. Now we'll say 425 minus 246 equals $179 profit divided by 246. So that's a 72% ROI. Now you can rack up close to 300 matches in just a couple of days, so you can make that money back pretty quick. And so if you buy and play the game quite a bit, you can make this like a legit part-time job, just playing this fucking Thetan Arena for 3 or 4 hours a day. And now I think it starts to become really popular if we go back here. Like this thing back in November, when it launched at $1.87. So I mean, I'm sure you had people who were making well over $100 an hour playing this. If you go $1.83 right here, so we'll just round up. We'll say $2 for the sake of easy math. You're gonna get, you get $25 a win. So you get 200 wins. It's $5 grand. So that would have been a little bit more profitable. I imagine this guy would have been a lot more expensive if you're still getting $25 in tokens per win. Right now, it's not nearly as profitable to be playing this game as it used to be, but it is still profitable if you're looking for a way to make a couple extra bucks a day just for playing a stupid, silly little game that you just go around and blast people with your little shotgun there. That is definitely not a bad way to go about doing it. I think these play to earn games are going to make a lot of people a ton of money in the future, and I'm going to be covering a lot more of them. That is pretty much all I got for you today on this. I'll definitely be doing follow-up videos in the future, but anyways guys, as always, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel for more updates on the Thetan Arena. as well as other NFTs, stocks, and tokens we like. And I thank you guys so much for watching this far, and I will see you in the next video.